Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate over $5,000 by promoting affiliate programs on ShareASale. Now, ShareASale is an affiliate network. It's an affiliate network that includes several affiliate programs inside them. So I've been able to pick few affiliate programs inside ShareASale and I've been able to generate over $5,000 by promoting this affiliate program. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to do that, and I'm also going to log into my ShareASale account, then show you the exact figures I've been able to generate by promoting affiliate programs on this network. But before that, if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate money by promoting affiliate product on ShareASale. And like I said earlier, ShareASale is an affiliate network that incorporates several affiliate products and affiliate programs under one platform. So you'll be sure to find several products and several programs to promote when you sign up with ShareASale. But before we proceed, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you my affiliate account just so you see that I've been able to promote affiliate product on this platform and I've been able to generate money by promoting it. So I don't want to seem like I'm just talking about something I don't do myself. All right, so I promote them and I make money by promoting them. So I'm going to share the strategy I've been using to promote them so you yourself can replicate them and start making money for yourself. And finally, before we move ahead, I have a free guide on how to succeed with affiliate marketing. As a matter of fact, me and my partner, we've been able to generate over $200,000 by using this strategy on a simple blog. All right, so if you're interested, I'm going to add a link to the training at the description of the video. Okay, so just go to the description of the video, click the training and get started for yourself. All right, so like I said, I'm going to log into my affiliate dashboard and show you my affiliate income just so you know I've been able to promote affiliate programs on ShareASale and I've made success from them. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on login here, then I'm going to click on affiliate login. Alright, so I just logged into my affiliate account and as you can see, this is my name right here. This is Olushola David Olubodan. So as you can see, I'm having a current balance of $2,000. So if I click on payment here, then I'm going to click on past revenue just so you see how much I've been able to make from this platform from time past. All right, so February I was able to make $1,000 and December I was able to make $1,000. I was able to make $1,300 here. I was able to make $1,400 here, and I was able to make $80 here. So as you can see now, if you calculate all this together with my pending balance of $2,000, I've been able to generate over $5,000 from this affiliate program. All right, so in your own case, if you love to make money with ShareASale, the first thing you want to do is to create an account with ShareASale. And when it comes to creating an account with ShareASale, the account creation is not automated. So this means when you create an account with them, they'll have to verify or review your sign up manually before they approve your account. So one of the things you need to put in place before you can create an account with ShareASale is that you need to have an existing blog. You need to have an existing website that is generating a decent amount of traffic. So once you have a site or a blog that is generating a decent amount of traffic, you can now go over to ShareASale, then click on come here, then click on sign up, then click on affiliate sign up. So once you click on affiliate sign up, it's going to redirect you to a page like this. All right, so what you want to do here is create a username in order to be able to create an account with them. All right, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go with a random name. All right, so after that, what you want to do is you want to create a password. Then after that, confirm your password. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is you want to choose your country. All right, so currently I'm creating this video from Nigeria, so I'm just going to scroll down, then choose Nigeria. So in your own case too, what you want to do is you want to choose your country. So after that, you'll be able to go to the next step. All right, so once you click on next step, the step 2, so it's going to bring out the form interface where you're going to be asked some questions about your business and how you can actually proceed to the next step. So here, like I said earlier, you have to have a website before you can get approved on ShareASale. So as you can see now, the space for the website URL is important. So if you don't have a website, you won't be able to create an account with them. So one thing you also want to put in place is make sure you have content on the website you want to use already, and make sure this website is generating a good or a decent amount of traffic. So once you have a website already, what you want to do is you want to enter your website here. Then here you want to choose the language of your website. So if your website is the language on your website is English, if it's Spanish, you just want to indicate that here. So after that, what you want to do is you want to answer this question that have been asked. So it says, does your website contain adult content or links to sites that contain adult content? So what you want to choose here is no. Then after that, you want to choose your promotional strategy. All right, so it says, do you utilize sponsored listing in pay-per-click search engine? In my own case, this is no. Do you utilize coupon as part of my own case? This is no. So do you utilize browser add-on? No. Are you an advertising network or affiliate networks? No. Do you have an app? No. So do you display advertisement on site that you don't own? No. Okay, so what you want to do is after that, you want to click on step 3. So once you click on step 3, it's going to ask you to enter your email address. Then after your email address, it's going to take you to step 4. So the step 4 is going to ask for your contact details, and step 5 is going to ask you to enter the bank account where they are going to be processing your payment to. All right, so this is basically how you can create an account with ShareASale. So once you have your account ready, once they approve your account, because they have to manually review the account, once they approve it, you'll be given access to the affiliate network. Then you can now select product you want to promote. All right, so I have an account already. I just want to show you the process on how to create an account with them. So I'm going to head over to my own account, then show you how the platform works. All right, so what you want to do now is, once you've gained access to the account, is you want to come over to merchant area here. So what you want to do is you want to search for merchant. Okay, so once you search for merchant, it's going to list out the affiliate products and programs you can actually choose and promote. So as you can see now, trading merchants. So these are affiliate programs you can join. So for these affiliate programs, if you promote it, you're going to make $60 commission, and this is another one. If you promote this, you're going to gain $100 per sale. Okay, so there are some others that's going to pay you per percent. So this one is 20% commission, and this one is 10% commission. So what you want to do now is, or what I actually did in my own case, was that I create a niche blog. All right, so if you don't have a blog already, I did a video on how you can set up a blog. So I'm going to add a link to the video around here. So in my own case, I created a niche blog that caters to a specific kind of content. And what I did is I come over to ShareASale here. Then I use this keyword search to search for products around the keywords on my blog. So once I found product around that keyword, what I did is I went back to my blog. I created a review content for that product, and I created a content on how to use the product on my blog. So this is basically how I've been able to generate affiliate commission by promoting product on ShareASale. So as you can see, the list of category here is actually much. So what you want to do is you want to go through the list of category, then look for the category that is similar or that resonates with the kind of niche blog you want to create. All right, so if you want to create a niche blog about automobiles, all you simply have to do is just come to this come to the automobiles category, clicked on it. So if you clicked on it, it's going to bring out affiliate programs and affiliate products around automobiles. So as you can see, so these are affiliate products around automobiles. So this one is going to give you 6% per sale, and this one is going to give you 4% per sale. This one is going to give you 10% per sale. All right, so all you simply need to do is look deeper again, and if you want to create a niche blog around books and media, all you simply need to do is just click the category. And if your niche blog is around business, okay, so there are several business products here that you can actually use to monetize your blog. So as you can see, all you simply need to do is just scroll down, then choose the category that best resonate with your niche blog. All right, so like I said earlier, I have a free guide on how to succeed with this kind of affiliate program. All right, with this kind of affiliate marketing. Okay, so in my own case, what I've been doing is I've been using free organic traffic from Google. I don't have to pay for traffic before I make sale from this affiliate product I'm promoting. All right, so I have a free guide on how to go about this. So I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So if you are interested, all you simply simply need to do is just go there and get the guide for yourself and get started. All right, so this is basically how I've been able to promote product on ShareASale, and I've been able to make passive income in return. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.